Everybody in Dubai is trying to sell you a property by luring you with a golden visa. But what if I told you that opting for the golden visa is the worst thing which a person would do, especially if he is from countries like India or Pakistan? The Dubai golden visa could be a golden pass for some people to reside in Dubai, but for others, it could turn out to be an invitation to the Income Tax Department's office to answer some nasty questions. A lot of people, especially from the Dubai real estate sector, are gonna hate me for publishing this video, but loving me or hating me will not change the truth. Hi everyone, I am Karan Batra and I've been helping people relocate to Dubai for more than 14 years now, and by the end of this video, most of you will agree to the fact that applying for the Dubai Golden Visa is the worst mistake ever. And why do I say that? Because the Pakistan government has already started taking action on Pakistani nationals holding the golden visas in the UAE. And this is in the news everywhere that Pakistan government is now asking people as to how did they get the golden visa. And if they got the golden visa by investing in real estate in Dubai, the next question which they are asking is that where did they get the money from to invest in Dubai real estate? And this is where the major problem is. A lot of people from countries like India or Pakistan are buying properties in Dubai through undeclared sources of income. The money for the purchase of such properties is not being sent through banking channels, and that is where the whole problem is. If the money has been sent through banking channels, then there's no issue. But if the money has been sent through non-banking channels, then this is a clear case of tax evasion, and that is why the government is sending tax notices. As of now, this has happened only in Pakistan but not in India. But it is just a matter of time that the Indian government may also start taking action. The Indian Income Tax Department is already on the lookout for people who have invested in Dubai real estate but is not able to get any data on the same. Till now, tax notices have been sent to a very small number of investors. But why is it that the Indian government has only sent tax notices to a very small number of investors? This is because as per the treaty which India has with UAE, only the information which is mentioned in the common reporting standards is required to be reported and shared between countries. And reporting property details doesn't fall under common reporting standards. Therefore, the Indian government is not able to get any official information from the UAE government regarding properties purchased by Indians in Dubai. Everybody knows that Indians are buying properties in Dubai. And despite the fact that everyone knows this, the Indian government is unable to get the data as the UAE government does not share this data. Having said that, the Indian Income Tax Department is on the lookout for people who are buying such properties and are trying to catch hold of them by doing their own research. The Indian government certainly does not have the data of the people who are buying properties in Dubai, but through the immigration system, they can easily identify the Indians who have the golden visa, and 90% of the Indians who have the golden visa are the ones who got it by investing in a property in Dubai. Should you be worried if you have a golden visa through property? Well, if the money was sent through banking channels for the purchase of property, then there's no issue at all. However, if it was sent through other means, then this certainly could be a cause of worry. And I fail to understand what is this craze about having a UAE golden visa when the intent is to reside in India only. Anyways, coming back to the topic, now you guys would have been wondering, has the Indian government sent notices on the basis of the records with the immigration department of the golden visa holders? Well, till now they've not sent any tax notice using this information. But if the Pakistan government can send it, why can't the Indian government do the same? So why take a risk? And I'm not saying don't invest in Dubai real estate. real estate in Dubai is certainly a very lucrative investment and is much better than the real estate in India or Pakistan. The rental yields are good, the property appreciation is good, so it certainly is a good investment option. And it is also a status symbol for a lot of people. Owning a property in Dubai was a status symbol, is a status symbol, and it will always remain a status symbol. And I'm not discouraging you from buying a property in Dubai. I am only talking about and suggesting you to buy it through the legal channels if your intent is to opt for the golden visa. And the golden visa does not come by default. First, you purchase a property and then you have an option whether to apply for a golden visa or not. If the intent is to reside in India or Pakistan, then don't apply for a golden visa till the time you don't intend to relocate or have actually relocated. And if you are in the UAE already, then there's nothing to worry. And now the next question which some of you may be having is that can't the government send notices to employee visa holders or UAE business visa holders? See, a majority of the people in Dubai are either Indians or Pakistanis, and they are the ones who are residing in the UAE and doing genuine business or job in the UAE. If they had to do something illegal, then why would they even go to Dubai? People set up businesses in Dubai to do things in a legal manner and not in an illegal manner. The intent of the Indian government is not to trouble the innocent people who are abiding by the law. And therefore, I don't think the Indian or the Pakistan government will ever send a tax notice to these innocent people who are on an employee visa or who are on an investor visa, which they got by setting up a company in Dubai or by setting up a business in Dubai. The intent of the government is to catch the big fish, and the big fish has the golden visa and not the employee visa or the investor visa. The intent of the government is never to trouble the innocent people, but the intent is to catch the tax evaders who are buying properties in Dubai through undeclared sources of income and have not paid income tax on such income in their home countries. I personally feel that there is a high probability that the Indian government may follow the steps of the Pakistan government and send tax notices to the golden visa holders. Just to reiterate, I don't foresee any issue for the employee visa holders or the investor visa holders who got the investor visa by setting up a company. But if you have a golden visa and you got this golden visa by investing in a property through funds which were not declared to the Income Tax Department, then you may be in trouble. I'm not trying to scare the golden visa holders, but I'm telling you that it is always better to be safe than sorry. Irrespective of whether the government sends the tax notice or not, you should be worried only if you've done something illegal. If you've done something in a legal manner, there is nothing to worry. And if you found this video useful, do share it with a friend who already has a golden visa or is planning to apply for the same. Thank you.